friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Esther. In today's video is another hair care routine tip. It's going to be a little bit different because I'll not be doing it on my hair, guys. I'll be doing it on my friend's hair, and the reason as to why I did this is so that you guys can see that these tips work for most of the people, whether your hair is relaxed like mine or it's natural. It's almost all the same here. So if you're new here, karibu sana. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping in tune. Remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, because in this channel all we talk about is hair care, and if you're interested to grow your hair long, stay tuned because I'll be sharing with you more and more tips that I have discovered. So guys, let's do this. We are going to use aloe vera as our prepoo for today's video, and we are starting with 2 fresh leaves of aloe vera, and of course we began by washing them and then cutting off the thorns so that it doesn't spike us, and now cutting the aloe vera into small pieces. Guys, if you can get a bigger leaf of aloe vera, the better. These small ones were the only available at our area, so I would recommend the bigger ones because you're going to get more gel and it's going to be easier even when it comes to the scooping part of the aloe vera. Yeah. Using a spoon to scoop out the gel is a little bit easier, and remember, aloe vera is very slimy and slippery, so guys, you have to be careful because if you use a knife it might cut off your hands, so it's safe to use a spoon instead. Yeah. Guys, I told you aloe vera is very slippery. As you can see, the bowl fell into the blender. Yeah, so be careful. Thank God the bowl did not break. To get the consistency of the aloe vera gel, we decided to blend our aloe vera gel, and as you can see from the blender, there are some big chunks that are moving around, so we blended our gel until we got the consistency that we wanted. A disclaimer here, if you see my lips moving, it's because we were talking stories with my friend as I enjoyed doing her hair. So guys, my friend has just undone her braids and she had not combed it. Remember, you should not comb your hair when you're doing a prepoo because a prepoo will help your hair detangle, and that prevents hair breakage during wash days. That's why it's called a prepoo, a short form for a pre-shampoo treatment. Yeah. I started applying the aloe vera gel on my friend's hair, and guys, look, see how her hair is detangling as I'm finger detangling, and it's very easy to detangle her hair. I mean, aloe vera, I even enjoyed touching her hair, and I asked her whether she was feeling any pain, and she was telling me that she was not feeling pain. She was enjoying the process. And you know, we were discussing of how in our lifetime, when you go to the salon, especially when you have undone your braids, combing your hair is always a stressful moment, and I mean, you feel like you're going to get a headache because of how painful it is. So I'm so perplexed at how her hair is very easy to comb, to finger detangle, and guys, see, she's not losing a lot of hair, and she was telling me that she loses a lot more hair than what I was getting off her hair. the aloe vera was not enough. The 2 leaves of aloe vera, unfortunately, they were not enough, guys. So we had to cut another small chunk from another leaf so that it can cover up the frontal part of her hair. So guys, if you can, that's what I was telling you, if you can get a bigger leaf or if you can get more, the better for you. Oh my god, I can't believe it. See how her hair is very easy to comb, and I'm not really struggling to comb her hair. I mean, it's just like straight hair. Oh my god, this is like magic. What? Oh, I should use it. So guys, that's it. We were not able to film the part where she was shampooing her hair. It got late and dark. Yeah, but I have to give you a precaution. Her hair was left with some white aloe vera residues. I guess it's because we blended every part of the aloe vera. And guys, just focus on getting the gel out and throw away the other part. I mean, it's the whitish big part. I don't know what it's called, but of course you get my point. Yeah, that one. Just throw it away and extract the gel only. See the hair that she shed for the entire process. She was shocked because she told me she loses a lot more hair than this, like 10 times this, guys. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something, because that's the most important part. For me, I am super excited because it's the first time using aloe vera, let me say that, and I'm super excited at how amazing aloe vera was detangling my friend's hair, and I just have a feeling it's going to work the same for me. I'll post a video of me doing aloe vera now on my hair. It's going to be coming up soon. And guys, I've had a problem with my hair tangling a lot, especially now. All these years I've been going to the salon for the salonist to do my hair, but tangling part has been my issue. So I feel like I've been breaking my hair a lot, especially during wash day. The salonist has to remove the tangles. I don't know why my hair tangles a lot, but for me, I feel like, wow, this is magic, and I'm going to use it on my hair. And yeah, so the struggle has been real for me with tangles. Yeah, so if you want to grow your hair long, you have to minimize the amount of hair that you're breaking or you're losing, and using aloe vera as a prepoo before you wash your hair. Just do the aloe vera treatment. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you've not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever used aloe vera before or you're planning to try using it. Let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in my next video.